Brett Bolton's natural Max Hair Vitamin is for men and women who want better overall health and vitality for their hair. Dr. Bolton is a hair restoration specialist who has been in medical practice for over 20 years and has solely focused on hair. Max Hair, his unique formulation of natural vitamins and herbs that help prevent hair loss, stabilizes and strengthens hair quality while speeding up natural hair growth cycles. Max Hair makes your hair more resilient, thicker, shiny, and beautiful in appearance, helps prevent breakage and split ends, and in many cases has helped regrow hair follicles to their original quality. Natural and safe Max Hair gives you the beautiful hair you desire. Max Hair, for everyone who seeks a more youthful and rejuvenated appearance to his or her hair. Order yours today.
Hello, here we are with our patient Sanjay. Sanjay is returning after a 4-year hiatus. We did a MaxHarvest Plus hair transplant procedure almost about 4 years ago to the date. How was the process for you, my friend?
It was great. It was painless for the first time when I did it. But I was nervous and scared when I walked in. It's the same thing this time, but I know exactly what we're going to get done, so I'm kind of cool with that.
That's awesome. So we did a huge case on you.
Yeah.
We did what's called the MaxHarvest Plus, which is a double MaxHarvest procedure, which means we moved about 60 square centimeters of hair. And so did you have a lot of pain after the procedure?
Just a couple of days, a kind of little bit of numbness. I believe is normal. So after the 3rd days, I was telling Joe, I stopped even taking the pills that you guys prescription.
Excellent. Okay, and what does everybody think about your results?
It was amazing. They were like shocked to see how I got it done. Sometimes they think I'm wearing weight.
That's awesome, man. And has it changed your social life? Has it changed how you feel about yourself?
It definitely changed my personal, how I look at view myself. You know, not for expectations of others, just among myself, in my self-esteem.
So it makes yourself feel better about who you are.
Yeah, exactly.
It gives you more confidence.
Exactly. In my 20s, I always want to be back in my 20s look of the hair. So
that's awesome. And now, did you research other types of procedures prior to choosing us?
Yes, I did, and I went through almost about 6 to 7 months research before I came across it on a video on YouTube of yours. Then still, I doubt it is real. I did further research. Then I felt confident. Then I see all the videos, and actually the procedure video. That's what more is concerned about the pain. So then I'm here today again.
So did that make you a believer?
Yes, I did make me a believer. Yes.
Okay. Now, did you happen to research the FUE procedure by any chance?
I did FUE procedure. I did, but again, I was kind of a bit nervous about it because punching hole in my head is like, I'm like, what? I'd rather go through one pain than not go through several holes.
Yes. Okay. So everyone's talking about the FUE, and the FUE procedure is touted as the latest, greatest procedure, but they're unable to achieve any result like this in a single procedure. On their best day, they might get, let's say, a few thousand hairs. This is, no joke, 10 to 12,000 hairs in a single procedure. If you can just kind of tuck your chin down just a little. Look at this. He had virtually nothing up here, and you'll see it with the before photos. And this is one procedure, life-changing results. And the other challenge when they do the FUE is they are going out of the donor area. And so in many cases, the hair that they're taking out is susceptible to the genetics that's causing the loss, and they can lose their transplanted grafts, where we're just clearly staying right in the safe zone. Ours will never fall out genetically. It would be extremely rare. And it's just a completely different procedure with much different results. What would you say to someone who's thinking about having a procedure done?
I would say I'll recommend you, and knowing the fact, the result that I'm getting it, and I'm happy with it. I'm sure people that see my result, they'll be amazed to see, and someone might not even believe this is real.
It's amazing. Yeah. Awesome. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm very excited for it. And now, what brings you back here for your second procedure?
Well, I want to get some more hair and get it full-headed.
Fill it
up.
Fill it in.
Yeah.
Okay. Josh, would you like to add anything?
Do we talk about how far he came for this procedure and
Oh, where'd you travel in from?
I'm traveling from Toronto, Canada.
All right. Okay. So that's amazing. Thank you. I get a lot of patients that fly in from all over the world.
Yeah.
And literally, I mean, this week I had a patient from London, and I had a patient from, where was it? Where was the other one? Israel. There you go. That's right. Excellent. So we appreciate you coming in. We're going to do an awesome job for you. Congratulations again, and it's going to be a great day. We have patients that are seeking out the FUE procedure because they're very concerned about how the scar is going to come out in the back. And with the method that I'm using, it's a very undetectable suture line versus a follicular unit extraction where they're pulling out multiple punch grafts, leaving a polka dot appearance in the back. So let's show off the suture line and show how Sanjay healed. I'm going to start all the way from this side over here. Oh, sorry, buddy. Okay. Good, thank you. All right, so when we do the MaxHarvest Plus procedure, we start all the way from one side, take it all the way around to the other side, and everyone's always so focused on this scar, but look at that. This is his scar, and this is a MaxHarvest Plus case, and you can see how perfectly that healed. So it's, look at that, it's virtually an undetectable suture line. I mean, you got to really dig in there to see what you're looking for. And I always like to show the entire way around. So look at that. Where is it? I can't even see it. There it is. Right there. See this little line?
The crease and the suture line are the same. Sometimes the crease looks like a scar.
Yes. As Josh always has me point out, let me show you what that looks like. So that's just a natural. That's the suture line. And now here's a natural crease in the hair that I'm making with the comb. So it doesn't look any different. Let me get you all the way over to the other side. And here's it is over here. So completely undetectable. He was a great patient. He healed perfectly. And let me have you just kind of tuck your head back so the camera can see this way. Yep, there you go. This way. I'm sorry, the other way. There you go. Look at that. One procedure. One procedure. I'm going to kind of just show you off all the way around here so they can see every angle. That's it. Excellent.